Hi everybody, it's Sam Brown and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a video on Medium and their new partner program. I recently watched a video on Shelby Church's channel and I really enjoyed it and I wanted to try and do it myself. So to start with, I've put a few posts up, I'll link them in the bio, and let's get into the video. Okay, so a few years back, some workers at Twitter started a company called Medium. Now Medium is a place where you can anybody can release articles, and they have paying subscribers who pay £5 a month or $5 a month, and every time a paying member goes onto your article and reads your article, you get a percentage of that $5. Now, I've tried it out and I've put some stuff on there and I'll link it in the description as I already said, but basically what you have to do is you start off by joining their partner program. Now, their partner program, you don't have to submit any writing, you don't have to submit any previous work, you just sign up, you do everything that says the basic information basically, and then you start up by writing some content. Now, I found to get more views, you need to go onto a publication and submit your work to a publication. It's rare that they'll post it, but if they do, you'll get like 5,000 to 10,000 views at minimum, most likely, especially if they're a bigger publication. Anyway, thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this interesting. I'm going to do a follow-up of this in like a week's time, see how it does, and then maybe a month's time after that, and see how my articles are going and if you can actually make any money. I just wanted to share this video with you to show you what a Medium is, how to start up on it, and what it's all about and how you can make money from it. Shelby Church, the person who I got this video idea from, her links will be down below. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Bye.